In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect boards in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want the connection to begin. This is the main board you'll be working from, so make sure you're in the right place before making any changes. Connecting boards is useful when you want related information to stay organized across different workflows, and it can save time by reducing the need to enter the same details more than once. Once you're inside the correct board, look for the plus icon used to add a new column. Click that icon to open the column options. This is where Monday.com lets you expand what your board can do. And in this case, you'll be adding a connection between two boards. From the list of available column types, choose Connect Boards. This option allows one board to link directly to another, which is especially helpful if you manage projects, clients, tasks, or any data that belongs together but lives in separate boards. After selecting it, Monday.com will guide you through choosing which board you want to connect. Next, select the board you want to connect to. Be careful here and choose the board that contains the related information you actually need. Picking the right board at this stage makes the rest of the setup much smoother and helps avoid confusion later. After that, link the matching item from the other board. In other words, connect the item on your current board to its related item in the second board. This creates the relationship between the two entries. It's a good idea to double check that you're linking the correct matching item, especially if the names are similar. If you want to display information from the connected board without switching back and forth, use a mirror column. A mirror column lets you show related data from the connected item directly on your current board. This can make your board much easier to read and manage since key details from the connected board will appear in one place. Finally, check that the connected board data updates correctly. Review the linked items and confirm that the mirrored or connected information is showing as expected. This last check is important because it helps you catch setup mistakes early and ensures your boards are working together properly. Once everything looks right, your boards are connected and ready to support a more organized workflow.